guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We're going to go over the 3-day sale coming up this week at DG. We've got some daily deals plus a money maker. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. The holidays are right around the corner, so please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Now, jumping right in, just a quick friendly reminder, I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos that y'all might want to go and check out. We've got new coupons, run deals, glitches, plus we have tons of 90% off clearance this week, plus a really good penny list. So make sure that you go and check out those videos if you haven't already. They're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's jump into this 3-day sale. This is going to start tomorrow on Thursday, November the 16th, and run through Saturday, November the 18th. So keep in mind that we can include these deals in with our 5 off $25 scenarios. Now let's take a look at what is going to be included in this 3-day sale. First up, we have the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. These are normally priced at $6 each. They're going to be on sale 2 for $10. Next, we have the Cascade dishwasher tablets. These are normally priced at $11.25. They're going to be on sale for $10.85, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $9.85. Next up, we have the Scott bath tissue 6 big rolls. These are normally priced, I believe, at $3 or $3.50, but they're going to be on sale for $2.75. Plus, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.75. And don't forget that we do still have that instant savings deal for when you spend $15 on Scott brand products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Next up, we have the Reynolds Wrap aluminum foil. These are going to be on sale for $3.50, and we have a 50% off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3. Next, we're going to have the Pepsi Mountain Dew 6-packs. They're going to be on sale 4 for $13. And we also have the Sunkist Canada Dry Seagram's RC Cola and Mellow Yellow 2 liters. They're going to be on sale 3 for $4. Here's one of my favorite deals of this sale. We have the Kellogg's cereal on sale 3 for $6, making those $2 each. And don't forget to be on the lookout for Peelies, because I've been finding Peelies for General Mills and Kellogg's cereals everywhere. Next up, we have the 20-ounce Dittany Moore chicken and dumplings. These are going to be on sale for $2 each. All right, next up, we have the Reese's Holiday Lights and Trees. They're going to be on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free, normally priced at $4.50 each. So with that sale, that's going to leave you paying $9 for 3 bags. However, we do have a digital coupon that has been glitching, and if it picks up that regular price, we have this 3 off 10 Hershey's Holiday Candy digital coupon. If it glitches, that's going to leave you paying $6 for 3 bags. Also included, we have the True Living Kitchen Gadgets. They're going to be on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. We also have the True Living Snap Food Storage Containers. They're going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. And we have the 64-quart Sterilite Latching Tote, normally priced at $13.50, but they're going to be on sale for $10. Next up, we have the Vibe and the Tech Avenue car mounts. These are going to be 20% off. Also included, we have the 2 Boom speakers, normally $5 to $12 each. They're going to be 20% off. Next up, we have the Art and Sound wireless speaker and headphones combo pack, normally priced at $15. They're going to be 25% off. And we also have select LED items. These are normally priced at $5, but they're going to be on sale for $3. All right, next up, we have Blue Star Toys. Buy 1, get 1 half off. This does include the dinos and the action figures, as well as Play-Doh items. And we also have select plush that will be included in this sale. And don't forget about that additional savings that you get at the register. When you spend $75 on toys, you're going to save an additional 25% off at the register. All right, next up, we have Brown Dot blankets and throws. These are going to be on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off. And we do have a few Christmas deals. So here we have the folding gift boxes. These are going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. And we also have ribbon, buy 1, get 1 25% off. And here's another one of my favorite sales of the season. We have the holiday gift wrap and bags, normally priced at $1 to $3 each. All of them are going to be on sale for just $1. So I will definitely be running out and grabbing some big gift bags and some of the big rolls of wrapping paper for just $1 each. Again, this 3-day sale does begin tomorrow on Thursday, November the 16th, and it runs through Saturday, September the 18th. Now, before you all go, there are a few really good weekly deals that I wanted to go ahead and point out. We do have the Dr. Pepper, Sunkist, Canada Dry, RC Cola, 7-Up, and A&W 12 packs on sale, 3 for $15 this week. We also have the 6 packs on on sale, 3 for $9. And we also have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 6-packs on sale, 3 for $11. We have a 1 off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $10 for 3. And we also have the Mountain Dew and Pepsi 12 packs on sale, 3 for $15. And we have a 2 off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $13 for 3. Now, Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and DG's trying to help us out a little bit this year, so they've put together a few of these little deals right here where you buy 2, get 1 for free. So here you can pick up the cream and mushroom soup with the French's fried onions, get the Clover Valley beans for free. You're paying $4.25 for all 3. Here's the next deal on the graham cracker crust with the Eagle brand evaporated milk, and you're getting the canned pumpkin for free. You're paying $3.85 for all 3. And last but not least, if you want to pick up the Clover Valley brown sugar with the Bruce's yams, you're going to get the Kraft marshmallows for free. So that's going to be paying $4.65 for all 3. And here's a few more sales that are going on with our Betty Crocker products. Now, I'm not quite sure why, but typically Dollar General will give us digital coupons for things like brown sugar and vegetable oil, all of those cooking essentials around this time of year. We haven't seen it yet, so fingers crossed, you guys. Keep your eyes peeled. Hopefully those will pop up within the next week or 2. All right, next up, we have an instant savings on the Rexall vitamins. These start out at $2.25. With that $1 instant savings, you're going to pay $1.25. And we all know it's that time of year where everybody's getting sick. I know that my household has been fighting this for like 3 weeks now, and it is horrible. So everybody, vitamin up. Now, also this week at DG, we have assorted blankets and comforter sets, buy 1, get 1 half off. And we also have the little scented brooms on sale this week, buy 1, get 1 half off. Here's a good deal if you want to pick up some of the decorative holiday bows. These are 50% off all week long. And we also have the novelty trees, normally priced at $12.95 to $15 each. They're 25% off this week. And here's a really good deal. We have the Prime Guard windshield wiper fluid, normally priced $4.75 each, but they're on sale this week, buy 1, get 1 free. So you're going to pay $4.75 for 2. All right, guys, and last but certainly not least, I told you all that we had a lot of new clearance markdowns this week. We had tons of categories that went to 70 and 90% off. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. Right now, we have Halloween candy down to 70% off, and the little Halloween Kinder Joy eggs are just 41 cents. Plus, we have the 75-cent cashback offer right now on Dollar General. We may also have an Ibotta rebate as well. I forgot to check on that. But either way, we do have the 75 cents back on DG. So pick up one at 41 cents after you get your cash back. That's going to make it completely free, plus a 34-cent moneymaker. And there is a limit of 5. So you can do this deal up to 5 times on 1 receipt. All right, guys. So there you go. Another exciting week at Dollar General. Tons of deals to look forward to. And y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I've got more coming at you all. Your girl had a couple things pop up on Monday and Tuesday that I had to take care of. So unfortunately, I have fallen a little bit behind in my video schedule for this week, but nevertheless, your girl is working hard. I'm going to be working all day trying to get caught back up. So y'all make sure that you have your notifications turned on, and please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. It only takes a second and it really does help me out tremendously. So thumbs up, smile in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.